If you want to get up now and behave them way, yeah. Shame man, you big hole, man. A wiggle, Dan. You know wine. You're stiff. Dan, you're stiff. Somebody go get an iron and press out so good, Dan, for me there, please. But you come for me. You can't come for the blood clot, Dan. Or you have to come for the Dan, bitch. You mad? You know me now ease up after you no time soon because, to be honest, if you just even at least say to me and the man, but you were mad one-sided. That's why I never think twice to disrespect your stinking mouth. Dan, you're going like you have fresh mouth to walk with, boy, yeah. Dan, a shit go me through right through. A shit go me through, watch out. A shit go me through right through. You keep the shit right on the tip of your tongue. Yeah, you keep the shit right on the tip of your tongue. So you see as you talk, it come out ashy. Don't go angle your tongue good. But when you brush your teeth, you rub out your tongue. Get a doctor, figure you do everywhere for your body, you not do the right things. Then your pussy want to do and your tongue want to do. You need to scrape off the whole, when I call this one, the top of it, no, I get a name, no, I go get a name. Scrape up the whole layer and get some new layer on. Because honestly, mama, you gotta have a hard way to get a husband. Look how you claim to say for nobody look good at everything and a man now put in a no. Dan. Oh, you come.